Welcome to Cooking in the Kitchen. I am your host, Bobby Flay. Today, we're going to be making the most classic, exquisite meal in the USA, the peanut butter and jelly sandwich. The first ingredient will be Chef Boyardee's Skippy peanut butter. Next is my famous homemade rhubarb jelly. And then we have our famous bread. It's a little moldy, but it's for the extra protein. First, we slather on the rhubarb jelly like so. This jelly was made in the Himalayas by hands. My hands. Next, you slather the peanut butter like so. Everyone has tasted my sandwich and they've loved it. 5 stars. Hi! That was Cooking in the Kitchen with your host, Bobby Flay. I hope you enjoyed.